Yes! I gotta get back in line. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. All the bunny ears, yes. They're so darn cute, all the colors. Oh, now these are nice. Nice and big and heavy. Yeah, they almost, that woven pattern, I feel like. These are really nice for $125. Yes on that. Oh, look at these little buckets. Happy Easter. It's a 2-pack. Here's this one, Groovy Chicks. That's funny. And this one right here, the wagon with all the eggs falling out the bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute is this? An inflatable ring toss. That's fun. Oh yeah, that's nice. The ears, and then it's 4 rings. Is that 4? Yeah, 4 rings. Oh, the footprint stickers. That's adorable. It's 16 pieces in here, kind of like Christmas time with Santa, right? Creeping through. That is funny. I think I want these in the cart. Oh wait, these are the outdoor bunny tracks. Oh, I think I would rather have these than the ones inside. Oh, that's so adorable. All right, I'm gonna throw these in and take the other ones out in the cart. Yes, these are back, right? The bunny gumball machine, and then the blue one down here is the egg. These are so adorable, so cute. Oh, here's a sign I haven't seen. Happy Easter. With the what? Yes, the black and white tires is rocking. Oh, bunny is the tag. That is funny. Oh, that's cute too. I think it's because of the whole brown, open daily, bunny's carrots chocolate. Look, oh my goodness, Cottontail Carrot Farm. And this one is cute just because of the burlap bunny. That's really pretty. Oh, nice. The beads are up here. I didn't even notice. The green beads. That is cute. Like the stem, right? That's what it kind of reminds me of. I'm looking for these tiny tinies of these. I feel like it is. I need to find those. They're so darn cute. Now, I wanted to step back. Like, I feel like it would be in with the hand sanitizer or maybe in checkout. This is crazy. Every Dollar Tree I go in is one. What is happening? That is crazy. I don't see anything. No, nothing new rocking over here. Yes, I think we're good. Miss Girl, no we not. I haven't seen these. These are kind of fire. Superman is rocking. I think I'm good now. Sydney is all about the bling. This brown one is fire. I think we have these already. I'm gonna grab these. You want these, Mommy?
Yes.
She's so funny. I can't get them off. In the cart. Oh my goodness. I was about to get in line because I was just checking the checkouts and I spun around and saw these. That is pretty. Gibson Home. Are these $125? I might have to check the scanner. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Let me see real quick. Yes. Get out of here. All right, let me go back. So that one, this one right here, they are fire. And then this one. How pretty is that? And look at this rocking down here. That is nice. Let me go check this. Hold on. Yes! Oh my goodness. They are so pretty. Miss Girl, it is so many of these makeup bags. If I needed them, I wouldn't be able to find them. And here are the plates right here. 3 years ago, I would have been like, on the specs. It depends on what they're on, I feel like, for me. And I'm kind of feeling the plate. And here's the blue one. So I'm definitely feeling the other one a lot better. I don't know what it is that's throwing me off with this one, but they have the two. I don't see anything else. Get out of here. Here are the forks rocking up here. It's 6 in a pack. That big old 6 on there. Because I was about to say, how many in here, right? So yeah, Gibson Home got it going on. So I feel like they're still throwing some things out. Yeah, because I haven't seen any of these 6, and it's just forks up here. So I'm assuming maybe spoons and knives might be rocking. And they have these. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So they're in here in this box. They're all the same, just kind of different colors. In the plus section before I head out. So I was looking at the signs. I feel like I have the welcome carrot, but I think it would be cute if I had the bunnies on the other side. So I think I'm going to grab the bunnies with the eggs and I'm rocking the carrot. So I'll be good to go, right? Yes. It says Happy Easter up top. In the cart. Oh, here are the metal ones. I thought I may have seen these, and I don't know what happened. I got distracted and kind of walked by. Oh, yeah. Ow! They're leaners. Yeah, that's what it says. Throw that right on up. Lean that in the corner, right? That is cute. And they have this one right here. I think those are the only two. Yes, on the garland. All right, so I'm going to get the feet right for outside. Sydney's new shades. She threw that doll on there. She said Sydney's new shades. And we're going to rock the bunny. Yes. Yes, on the sunglasses. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye. Hey, guys. From Dollar Tree. I think we are good so far. I feel like we've seen some things. Yes. On the bunny and the carrot and the eggs. We grabbed those already. Here are the napkins. I feel like I didn't see those. I was going to say, are these plain? You can't tell because the eggs are down in the box. Yes on that. I really do love these buckets. I know I'm going to eventually pick them up. I'm in the front, right? I haven't seen the new dishes here, but look. All these bags again. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go on a power serum. Isn't this packaging so cute? This is Global Beauty Care. I see brighten, refine, firm, hydrate, smooth. I barely see it though because of the color of the product and the fact that I can't see. Oh my goodness. But yes on that. In the cart. Yeah, it says it's 6 benefits in one. Oh, these are back. Remember these? The serums. All the different ones with, this is Glow, Dew, and Plump. Yeah, with the little pearls inside of there. So that's rocking again. Yes. Over here with the socks. I feel like I'm good to go. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I have Bob on now. That is so funny. I don't think, I don't remember seeing this one with the color palette. I don't remember. I don't need one more Bob sock. Yes, on the ring pop. We still put these on our fingers like now. That is so funny. This is probably where I can say we're all good because I think we have seen all the masks at this point. I feel like, oh, this is new. It's the only one right here rocking. Marie Claire, right? That Smoky Delight total face palette. So that's rocking. It's a highlighter, 4 shadows, and a contour in the cart. Oh, here's a setting powder. Like I'm finding one of each thing. That's funny. Keeps your makeup set all day. Flawless finish. In the cart. A couple more Marie Claire's, right? A liquid blush and a dusty pink. I feel like I want to say dusty rose, like that's what I should be saying. But it's dusty pink and a tinted lip oil, cherry oil infused. So these two are rocking. In the cart. See? It's another one here. What's this? A dual-ended brow pencil, medium brown. The Marie Claire. Oh my goodness, it's like one of everything. I think it's some more stuff, I feel like. So yeah, this is rocking too. In the cart. I was walking by checkout. Here they go right here. The ring pops. That is so funny. Yes, on the Minnie and Daisy tissues rocking with the sunglasses. It's a 4-pack. Aren't these so pretty? I don't remember seeing these. I feel like I might have seen something similar, but no. I guess these were around Valentine's Day. Yeah, maybe. I see the heart, pink, purple, and here's the clear one over here. Darn, it's so much more Disney I need to find. I don't see one thing Mickey rocking at all. Oh my goodness. Oh, they did a restock on these. I haven't seen these since the first time I picked them up, and that was, oh my goodness, months ago. The hanging bag. Auto Ban eliminates odors, moisture absorber. It lasts up to 30 days. So yeah, that's rocking back again. All right, here we go. Quick and fast in here, but yes. So the only thing, I guess it's easier for me to say, the only thing I got for myself is this right here. Everything else is for you. I don't need any more makeup. You guys know I just did a huge declutter, so yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Yes, yes. I just kind of peeked over when I was jumping in the line. Miss Girl, yes, on the little tiny tinies, right? Hook that right on up. The BioPure antibacterial hand wipes is 20 in here, kills 99.9 in the cart. All right, bye. Oh my goodness, they have these at checkout, but I'm leaving. I don't need them. I think I do. I'm gonna get Seinfeld and Friends. All right, bye. Yes! I gotta get back in line. Oh my goodness, this was in the other checkout, like in the front of it. Honey wildflower scent. I gotta get back in line. All right, bye.